Hello, people. Let me go over today's lesson real quick. So, first of all, you have bell work question. Scroll down there, and it is going to be how many cells, where the max number of cells you can do on a table. So you're going to have to go to Insert Table and stretch that as far as you can to the right and as far as you can down to see what the max number of cells you can make for a table in Google Docs. Table 4, your assignment after that today. Make sure you do a few minutes of typing as well. Table 4, you can see here's the PDF. So what you're going to do here, that is not it. Alright, here we go. We have some text across the top. Table 4, I don't care the font style or size. Then we have across the top row, dogs, cats, birds, horses. You see these are all in different spots. Alright, so you're going to have to use alignment buttons and enter buttons to get those in the correct spot. And then you have 4 rows and 5 columns. Right? Or is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Right? So it's a 4 by 5. So if I am doing this, I'm going to go maybe across the top. I'll do table 4 first, like so. Enter. And now I'm going to go to Insert Table, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. And you can see I'm going to shrink that down to about 50% so I can see the whole thing. I'm going to drag my bottom row down some here, like so. And I'm going to go to Format Table, and I'm going to distribute those rows. All right, so this is 4 across, 5 down. All right, so my first one, looking at my PDF, is dogs. All right, so I want to push that to the top right. So I use my alignment button and I type in dogs. All right, and my fonts, they should be all different. Size 30 is a little bit too big, so I'm going to go 14, and I'm going to switch this to something different, permanent marker. All right, I don't care what your fonts are, just switch them up. All right, I'm going to make all of these 14 right now. And then my next one you can see is cats. So I'm going to push that one to the left. Inside, so again, I change my font, something different, cats, like so. All right. Next one you can see is birds. And this one is aligned to the left, and then but pushed down. All right. So to do that, I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. Maybe one more towards the bottom, and again switch my font to something different. There we go. And I'm going to type in birds. You can see that is now to the left-hand side to the bottom. And then the fourth one across the top is horses, centered. All right, so center button, and then enter, enter, about. And I'm going to, again, change my font to something different. To, let's say, yellowtail. I type in horses here. All right, let me zoom in on this a little bit so you can see it better. All right, now, so I have those in. I'm going to color in this top row here real quick. You can pick your colors. I don't care what colors you make them. That is up to you. Now, after you have that first row of text done, then you are going to fill in with pictures, different pictures for each of those topics. So, for example, dogs. I'm going to go to Pixabay here, and I'm going to type in Pixabay. I'm going to do vector images or vector graphics. You see dog already was up here for me because I did this earlier. I find a dog I like. It doesn't have to be the same ones. Find the ones I want. I click and drag it over. Click it into that spot like so. It's going to pop in there, and I'm going to want to select the dog, select this second box over called wrap text. I'm going to shrink this down. Usually in general, the smaller the better off you're going to be. And I'm going to also fill in this background as well. All right, so I'll quickly go over here and do cats. I'll show you that one. Cats or cat, doesn't matter. So again, I'll use this cool tiger. Scroll over, put this tiger in here. And again, I will click on that, select this middle box. You can see it pops them up there. I'll shrink them down and move them here. Hopefully it shows up. Good. Moves in there. And again, my triple dots for my color, like so. All right. So fill in this graphic or this table with animals, dogs, cats, birds, horses. So 4 of each. Color everything in. In the top right-hand corner, make sure you hit your turn in. And that will be your assignment today, along with the bell work and the typing. All right. Have a nice day, people. Talk to you later. Bye.